Here I have OPPO F21 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to reset all settings on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system settings, then go to the backup and reset and select reset phone, and then an option reset all settings including network settings. Wow. Okay, now let's reset them all. Yes please. And after that, all of the system settings will be reset to its defaults. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.